Hi everyone. Today we will learn how to find a square of a number ending with 5 with the help of Vedic method. So we will look at the example here on our screen. We are looking at the number that is 35. So at the 10th place the number is 3. So our first step will be multiplying 3 with its next number, that is 4. So the result will be 3 into 4 is 12, and it is not the final result. After that, the second step will be our multiplying 5 with itself will give the result 25, and combining it will give our final answer, that is 1225. So I am repeating the steps. Our first step will be, we will multiply the 10th place number with its succeeding number, and here the number is 3. So multiplying 3 with 4 will give us the answer 12. Now our second step will be that is one's place will always be 5 here. So multiplying 5 with itself will give answer 25, and combining both the results will give us our final answer, that is here final answer is 1225. Okay, now we will look at two examples. First is 15 square. We will find the square of 15, and second will be we will be finding the square of 65. So how we will find the square of 15? For here 10th place is 1. So multiplying 1 with its next number, that is 2. So 1 into 2 will be 2, and multiplying 5 with itself will always give 25. So 1 into 2 is 2, and second step 5 into 5 is 25. So combining both the results will give the answer 225. Okay, moving to the second example. Here the number is 65. So we will find the square of 65. How? By first looking at the step number 1. Here the 10th place is 6. So next number of 6 is 7. So multiplying 6 with 7 will give us 42. Now applying step second, that is multiplying 5 with itself will always give 25. So our final answer will always have 25 at the end. So our answer will be 6 into 7 42, and 5 into 5 25. So answer will be 4225. So we have done both the examples with the help of Vedic method. Now we will look at another method, that is duplex method. So here in duplex method we will give variables to the number. Okay, so for 10th place number we will give its variable a, and for the unit place number we will give its variable b. So first of all we will find the duplex of a, and how we will find it? We will square itself. We will find the square of a, and for example here the number is 42. So here the value of a will be 4. So finding the square of a square is 6. Here a is 4, and 4 square is 16. Okay, now next step will be, we will find the duplex of AB, like multiplying a into b and also multiplying it with 2. So these are the steps to find the square of the number. So we will look at another example, that is we will find the square of 11. So how we will find it? So we will find duplex of a. How we will find? We will square the number a. We will find the square of a. Here a is 1. So square of 1 is always 1. So our first digit of the answer will be 1 here. So our next step will be, we will find the duplex of a into b, and duplex of a into b will be 2ab. So 2, here a is 1 and b is also 1. So 2 into a into b, like 2 into 1 will always give 2. So our second digit of the result will be 2. Now finding the last digit of our answer will be the duplex of last digit, that is b. How we will find the duplex of b? We will find a square of b. So here b is 1 only, so we will find the square of 1. So square of 1 is always 1, and then combining 3 steps, the answer will be 121. How it will come? We will look again. We will first find the square of 1, that is always 1. Now for the second digit, we will apply 2ab. So here 2 into a is 1, b is 1, 2 into 1 will give 2. And at the end, we will find the third digit. The third digit we will find with squaring the number b. Here number b is 1. Here squaring the value of b. Here value of b is 1. So square of 1 is always 1. So final answer will be 121. Okay. So we will find the square of 42 again. So here our value of a is 4 and value of b is 2. The groups of, we will divide into group, like for a it is 4. To find duplex of a, it will be square of 4. For duplex for the second digit will be 2ab. So ab is 4 into 2, and for third digit it will be duplex of b, like, and here b is 2. So applying the steps, all the steps, first duplex of 4 and squaring it will give us answer 16. Now applying duplex for d, 4 into 2, it will give 2ab. It is 2 into 4 into 2, and answer will be 16. Okay, now for the third digit we will apply duplex of 2, that is square of 2, and it will give 4. Here we will not get the final answer. How we will get the final answer? We will look here. Here the catch is, like, for the second digit the answer is coming 16, but we must have only one digit answer. So here answer is 16. So here from 16 we will take out 1 and add it to the first part of the question, first part of our answer. 1 is carry forward to the first part, and it will give answer, our final answer, that is 1764. What we have done here is we have carry forward the 1 to 16, and by carry forwarding it, 16 plus 1 will give 17, and the remaining part 6 and 4 will always be present. 6 and 4 is present in our answer, but from 16 here 1 is carry forward to the first part of the number, and 16 plus 1 will give 17. The final answer will become 17,764.